Welcome back to New Car Latest Update. Today we're talking about something every car owner actually cares about. Not just speed or design, but peace of mind. Let's dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Super Support and why it could be a game changer for Volkswagen owners worldwide. Volkswagen has stepped up in 2026 with a Super Support program designed to make ownership simpler, safer, and far less stressful. This isn't just basic after-sale service. It's a full ownership experience upgrade. From the moment you drive your new Volkswagen out of the showroom, Super Support kicks in to protect your car and your wallet. First, Volkswagen Super Support 2026 focuses heavily on extended warranty coverage. That means longer protection for key components, fewer surprise repair bills, and more confidence on every drive. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long road trips, Volkswagen wants you to feel backed at every mile. Next comes service and maintenance support. With scheduled service plans, priority appointments, and transparent pricing, owners spend less time worrying and more time enjoying the drive. In many regions, roadside assistance is also enhanced, offering faster response times, towing support, and even emergency help when you need it most. Digital convenience is another big highlight. Through Volkswagen's updated apps and connected systems, owners can track service history, book appointments, receive alerts, and access customer support instantly. It's all about control, clarity, and convenience. And let's not forget customer care. The 2026 Super Support program emphasizes dedicated helplines, trained service advisors, and improved dealership experience, ensuring every concern is handled professionally and quickly. In simple words, Volkswagen Super Support 2026 is about trust. It's about making sure owning a Volkswagen feels just as premium years down the road as it does on day one. If you want the latest updates on new cars, ownership programs, and future automotive trends, make sure to subscribe to New Car Latest Update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.